What I have here is a bulb camera. So what is a bulb camera? Well, what it is, it's a camera that screws into a light socket, say like a front porch, which is what I use it for, or like some area where you need to kind of like have a video where you need to be able to, and it's all remote. So it's a Wi-Fi bulb camera, and it has cloud storage. It can support up to multiple devices, and it's got an easy network setup. I have been using it, but I put it back in this box for the purpose of this video. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box and show y'all. And when you open it up, you see a plug-in, and here's the bulb itself. It did have a plastic wrapper on there. How do you like that? It has night vision, and it is remote sensor. It's a motion sensor on the front. So we'll set that aside, and what you're going to get is a set of instructions, and there should be a little, there's a little reset thing in here. You're going to need this too. So that's to reset it if you ever need to do. And that's what was in that package. Since I went over all the instructions to kind of like figure out exactly how to do it, you're going to need to download an app for this thing. And my advice to set it up is to go ahead, plug it in first, and then plug it in the wall and set it up. So here's the app set up. I'm going to have to screw it back in. Set it up as you screw it in right here. You plug it in the wall. You open your app and you log onto your Wi-Fi. You will have to do your password and all that to log this in. But let me go ahead and install this real quick and show you what it looks like and how it installs, and then I'll pull the app up and let you see it. So let's do that now. So you can see how you screw it in right here. I'm screwing it into the thing. And by the way, it does move. As soon as I screwed it in, you see the lights come up. So it's officially active right now. So I'm going to go ahead and open the app here so you can see on the app on how it looks. Watch, I can move it around. So check that out. I can actually move this thing around. And watch, so I'm moving it around. I'm going to wave my hand. You see me waving my hand in front of it. This thing works extremely well. You can hit the record. You can take a picture. And this thing also has a microphone built into it. But check this out. You can turn a light on. You see how the light just popped on it? So I cannot do this remotely. I could be anywhere. So I can pretty much be anywhere in the world and still turn this on. But also, like when you want, you can hit like a little... You can turn on, and this is an intercom system. I don't know if you can hear that in there. Hang that up, go to more, and then watch this if I need to. I can launch a siren off. If somebody keeps standing here, you can hit that little siren. Is that not cool? You can take a picture. And then you can have it just motion tracking. So when it's on this motion track symbol, it actually tracks like where people are. You see what it's doing in the camera. I don't know if you can see that, but it'll find me right there. It's just locked onto me. Now it's actually gonna follow me around. So yeah, how cool is that, everybody? So there it is. That's the bulb camera. Highly recommend one of these for anybody that's just needing a camera. See you guys in the next video.